Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add buy now button in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, all we need to do is to add the extension or the plugin that will allow us to add this button. And basically you can simply go to WooCommerce plugin and then go to extensions, and after that you will find, or we will need to search for the quick buy, and from here you will need just to search for any extension for the quick buy button, and we can already find this one. So basically you can add it to your store. In my case, I'm just going for the plugins, and I'm going to click on add new plugin, and then I will need just to search for the same plugin or extension, and you can see that this is a quick buy now button. And as you can see, there are many ones that you can find for WooCommerce here. So either you can install this one, or we can just use quick buy to have or to see more options that we can add to our WooCommerce. So the one that I'm going for would be just the first ones that we see. So basically I'm just going to add this one, and I'm just going to click on install or add. And basically here, if you click on the plugin, it will show you on how you can add it to your plugin. And as you can see, you can go to plugins, add news, and search for WooCommerce, and you install it, etc. So now we can activate our plugin, and then you will start having your plugin that will be added into your WooCommerce. And whenever you see or whenever you start customizing your plugin, and let's search for this one, and from here we can go to settings and basically start having our plugin here. So as you can see, now you can choose where you want to have this buy now plugin, either in the shop or it is only in the single product page, and you choose the position, etc. And of course you can start having any other customization and you save changes. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.